Pharmaceutical presentation. Pharmaceutical industry works. API active pharmaceutical ingredient. To understand the pharmaceutical business model, it's worth understanding the price relationships between the API, the tablet, and the drug market price. The main ingredient in pharmaceuticals is API, active pharmaceutical ingredient. It is the main drug that cures the disease. There are many companies that produce and are specialists in only producing APIs. In producing APIs, the companies either purchase intermediates from different players, they mix them to produce a final API, or they themselves produce all the intermediates and mix them at their own place. These are the companies that deal exclusively in APIs. They sell their produced APIs to different formulation players, who then further process them to make them a consumable drug. The companies that produce and sell APIs need to get registered with a US FDA by filling out a Drug Master File (DMF), which makes sure that the facilities of the API manufacturing company are in proper shape and are safe. There are 3 API streams. There are basically 3 streams of APIs sold by the companies: oncology, hormones, and steroids. The oncology segment contributed significantly to revenue. Basically, because it costs a lot to put up manufacturing facilities for these streams. These drugs must be handled with care. These facilities require stringent entry procedures and isolation chambers, procedures to reduce risks of product contamination and cross-contamination, and also protect people from hazards and toxicity. These are mandated by the regulatory authorities. Scaling up proves very costly, and barriers to entry are strong. The key factors that help win outsourcing, CRAMS, contracts are: 1. Time and quality, 2. Availability of manufacturing capacity, 3. Track record and reputation, 4. An array of services are offered, 5. Dependability and adaptability, 6. Scalability. Various types of products. There are various types of products produced in the pharmaceutical industry, such as prescription drugs are the main pharmaceutical industry products. These products are generating high revenue amounts, but there are also other types of products that make up the whole pharmaceutical industry. Biologics are composed of a variety of products that include vaccines, antibodies, blood components, therapeutic proteins, tissues, allergenic, and somatic cells. They are used for a variety of medicinal, pharmaceutical, and other important purposes. Generic drugs are used interchangeably with branded drugs in the market. Basically, a generic drug is quickly approved on the market. Regulators of drugs would not necessarily require detailed testing and clinical trials for generic drugs. Over-the-counter drugs. There are certain medicines that one can buy from pharmacies and drugstores even without prescriptions from physicians or doctors. There are many types of over-the-counter drugs on the market. Some relieve pains, itches, and aches. Other medicines may also be used in curing ailments and diseases like athlete's foot and tooth decay. Migraines and other recurring problems may also be treated using OTC drugs. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit and insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep confidentiality to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address. Follow on our social media and also share on your social networks. Subscribe our channel.